Come check out our brand new Keychain body-worn camera. Designed to look just like a normal key fob for your vehicle, you can record video and audio to a micro SD card for later review. This recorder comes with everything you need, from the unit itself to the charging cable and even an included SD card. Now let's take a look at how to set this camera up to start a recording. This unit is super user-friendly, making setup and usage a breeze. Start by removing the back plating, then go ahead and insert the micro SD card. You can start a recording by clicking the lock button on the face. Give it a second to turn on. The blue LED will indicate it is in standby mode. Click the same lock button again to begin recording. The light will turn purple, indicating recording has started. Now let's take a look at how to go about reviewing your recordings. Open up your File Explorer app. Then locate this PC on the left so we can locate the removable drive. Double-click on both the DCIM folders once located. From there, you should see your recordings. You will have the ability to review, download, and delete the recordings at that point. Now let's take a look at this quick quality demonstration.
Hello everyone, this is a quality demonstration for the new 1080p Lawmate Keychain video and audio recorder. This is a quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is a demonstration at 20 feet. Lastly, this is a quality demonstration for the Lawmate Keychain body-worn camera at 30 feet. Keep in mind all the video and audio you are currently seeing and hearing is being recorded by the device itself.
And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.